In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most useful sites that can boost your knowledge, creativity, and productivity. First up is Wikipedia, the biggest online encyclopedia. It has millions of articles on various topics, making it a great place to learn and find information. Whether you're studying history, science, or anything else, Wikipedia is a reliable source of knowledge. Next, we have Khan Academy, a fantastic educational platform. It offers free video lessons and interactive exercises on many subjects, from math and science to art and humanities. Khan Academy has a high quality resources for learners of all ages. Now let's discover Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool. Canva has ready-made templates and design tool that makes it easy for anyone to create stunning social media posts, presentations, and more. You don't have to be a designer to make something impressive. I use Canva to create most of my YouTube thumbnails. If you want to learn a new language, Duolingo is perfect for you. It's a fun and interactive language learning platform. Duolingo breaks down lessons into small exercises and makes learning a language feels like playing a game. It's suitable for learners of all levels. Lastly, we have Unsplash, a fantastic resource for free high-quality images. Unsplash has a huge collection of photos taken by talented photographers from around the world. Whether you need visuals for your presentations or creative projects, Unsplash has breathtaking photos available for free. And there you have it, 5 incredibly useful websites that can transform the way you learn, create, and explore. So go ahead, dive into Wikipedia, expand your knowledge with Khan Academy, design with Canva, learn languages with Duolingo, and bring your project to life with Unsplash. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.